Mr. Harris has been teaching the students for 40 minutes. He looks around the classroom and they are quiet, staring into space. Antonio, the Italian, looks out the window and he gives a big yawn. Harris looks at him and says, "Antonio, what's wrong?" Antonio replies, "Oh, I'm boring." Inside, Mr. Harris laughs to himself. But why? Why does Mr. Harris laugh? Today, we're looking at ED and ING adjectives. They're formed by taking a verb and adding ED and ING to the end. Not all verbs can do this, only some. For example, to interest becomes interested or interesting. But what's the difference between these two forms? ED adjectives describe emotions or feelings. ING adjectives describe a thing which causes a person to feel. Let's look at some examples. The documentary is boring. John is bored. Running is tiring. Paul is tired. And finally, Mr. Harris's student Antonio is bored. The lesson is boring. The joke is when Antonio says "I'm boring," he's actually talking about himself. He is the one who bores other people. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and I look forward to seeing you soon.